Hi everyone, it's Alex from Risk Academy. And yesterday I spent a full day with about a dozen risk managers from all across Russia and CIS. And we've talked about different topics. We've talked about risk appetite, debunking that. We've talked about risk management 1 and 2. And here's an interesting observation that we've made, which I loved so much, I think I'll turn it into a comic. And here's the thing, is everybody, I think, in risk management understands the concept of maturity. So we all think that, risk registers or doing, hazard risk assessments is the kind of lowest level of maturity. But then, interestingly, instead of thinking that risk management too, or integrating into the actual decision making and using proper, quantitative tools, some of us, very few of us, think that's the second level of maturity. But majority, and this completely amazed me, majority think the next level of maturity is not to get rid of risk registers, heat maps, risk reports, risk mitigation plans, but to do them more thoroughly. So, in many people's eyes, which is a big surprise for me, a better risk management is not getting rid of risk registers, but making a bigger risk register. Making it bigger in terms of columns, in terms of level of detail, and in terms of completeness, in terms of many risks that the risk register captures. And that I find completely amazing. Because if the small risk register is fundamentally flawed and does not help business make decisions, then what's the point of making a bigger risk register? So here's an interesting thought. Why do people think that the advanced risk management is using the same flawed traditional tools but make them bigger, more comprehensive? I personally find this completely amazing. I'm interested in hearing your thoughts. Do share underneath this video. For now, thank you and goodbye.